How to do well at secondary school maths. There are 4 secrets to this. We will go through them in turn. 1. Motivation. Your primary purpose needs to be to improve your skills, to learn how to think, and to support your other studies, further education and career. Note that math skills underlie success in many areas such as business, investment, science, engineering and personal finance. The great resource that you have to spend is time, and it is worth investing some of this in yourself. 2. Formula sheets. These are important because they enable learning to be summarized and focused. You need to collect, treasure and understand them. It is far easier to learn from a few brief formula sheets than an 800-page textbook. 3. Practice. Regular practice tests and exams let you learn by doing. They let you measure your progress. And also, they're available online at all levels from years 7 to 12 for many countries. 4. The feedback loop. This is a crucial step. It does not really matter in the short term if your answers are right or wrong. The important thing is to learn from your efforts, solutions and other feedback so that you continually improve. Draw on your other resources as needed, such as formula sheets, videos, textbooks, internet, and of course your teachers. The Autotutor solution. Unfortunately, good maths teachers are in short supply and their time is limited. We have designed Autotutor to help solve this problem. This will help both students and teachers. Believe in yourself and have the courage to try it for free. Use the free license we provide to explore the system. Your results will improve in relation to your efforts. 6 years is a long time to learn secondary school maths. You can learn much more efficiently if you wish. See our site at www.autotutor.com.au. Thank you.